Steady! Eyes on the target!
That thing's glowing hotter. Watch the mouth.
Copy. Trank team ready.
On my mark!
Mark!
Start away.
Second volley! 3, 2, 1!
Firing!
It's going down. Keep the light.
In the house.
Easy now.
Easy, girl. What's wrong? Hey, it's okay.
Easy there. What's wrong? You're scared. Okay, I'm here. All right, girl, it's all right. Come on. Gotcha. Shh. You're okay. Let's see what's happened. We'll take care of it.
You feel that? Damn it!
Yes, hello? Police rescue. I need help. Right now.
Sir, what's your emergency?
I just came out of the lake near Blackstone Cliffs. Our boat went under my friend. He's still in there somewhere. The current's tearing through. I can't see him.
Stay calm. Are you safe?
This is a live look downtown where that enormous amphibian has climbed onto a taxi. Authorities are urging residents to shelter in place.
Control to all units. Confirm street closures on 5th and Market. Keep civilians back 2 blocks minimum.
Copy. Barricades en route. We need animal control and fire on standby.
Control. Rescue 1 is en route. 4 minutes out.
Road's clear, pushing speed.
Copy that, Rescue 1. Hostiles moving east, civilians trapped on the south side. Proceed with caution.
Understood. We'll get them out.
New path plotted. Cutting through the quarry trims another 30 seconds.
Do it. Hold on, everyone.
Gear secure. Ready for
Eyes
entry.
up. Smoke's in sight. We're almost there.
All right, people. Clock's ticking. I want every dart charged and every net packed by the time we roll.
Rifles loaded. Solenoid reads green across the board.
Net launcher primed. Safety's on. Good. Remember, these creatures go down gentle or they don't go down at all. Let's be ready.
Position's tight. Keep that line clear.
Heart rate steady, 98. He's calm for now.
Copy. Trank ready.
Smith, loop his rear leg, slow and smooth.
On your mark.
Mark.
Dart out.
Vital signs dropping. He's going under.
Hold steady. Eyes on the target.
That thing's glowing hotter. Watch the mouth.
Copy. Trank team ready.
On my mark.
Mark.
Dart away.
Second volley. 3, 2, 1.
Firing.
It's going down. Keep the light.
Keep pressure on it. Eyes, throat, anywhere soft.
Moving up. Give me cover.
Copy covering. Hit the eye. Flinch.
It's still coming.
Keep firing. Make it think twice.
Heave. Go, go, go.
We got him. Pull tight. Get the stakes secured now.
Bring tranquilizers in. You're gonna be all right. You're all right. Keep sliding. That's it. They're out.
And still breathing.
Easy, girl. Good breaths. Mask is on.
Oxygen flowing. Let's get this little one set.
You're all right, buddy. Just breathe for me.
Bow's at 2 liters, mask sealed.
Heart rate's coming down.
Dog stabilizing. He's a tough one.
Soles is full. Keep that line steady.
Vitals look good on both. We're getting there.
Hang in there, buddies. You're safe now. Okay.
Look at that. Back where they belong.
Heart rates are steady. No injuries. Just a little hungry, I think.
They earned a good meal tonight. So did we.
And some sleep. But first, just take this in.
Can't beat a sunset like that.